Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on quitting apps and programs on Mac OS. This will work whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or any other Apple computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To close apps and programs normally, all you need to do is click the red X button at the top left of any app window. Doing this should close the app immediately, but sometimes computers don't always do what you want them to. Another way of quitting the app is with your keyboard. When you are on the app, simply press the Command and Q buttons at the same time and the app should close. You can also quit an app by first clicking anywhere inside the app to select it. Then tap its name at the top left of the screen beside the Apple logo and then selecting Quit. If the app is glitching or not responding, you can try clicking the Apple button at the top left of the screen and then selecting Force Quit. This will bring up the Force Quit menu where you can select the apps you want to forcefully quit. You can highlight all apps and quit them at once by pressing Command and A on the keyboard and then selecting Force Quit. You can select multiple ones at once by holding down the Command button on your keyboard while you click each program. Once they are selected, click Force Quit. If you tried clicking the Apple button but it won't respond, you can use a keyboard shortcut to open the Force Quit menu. To do that, press Alt, Command and Escape at the same time on your keyboard. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.